2024 Cadillac Lyriq. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, seat massage, heated side view mirrors, moonroof. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.